हेलो, वेलकम टू टुडेज़ वीडियो। आज की प्रैक्टिस में हम कुछ स्ट्रेच रूटीन सीखेंगे जो आपके दिन के एंड में कर सकते हो। जैसे कि लेट्स से यू आर वाइंडिंग अप योर डे, यू केम बैक फ्रॉम द ऑफिस और आपका फुल डे खड़े खड़े या फिर बैठे बैठे गया है एंड योर बॉडी इज़ फीलिंग स्टिफ। दिस इज़ वन ऑफ दोज प्रैक्टिस विच कैन हेल्प यू रिलीज एनी टेंशन और एनी स्टिफनेस इन द बॉडी। तो आप इसे कोई भी लेवल पे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, चाहे आप बिगिनर हो या फिर आप एडवांस लेवल प्रैक्टिशनर हो। एनीबडी कैन जॉइन इन द प्रैक्टिस। यू जस्ट नीड अ मैट या फिर आपको कोई सॉफ्ट सरफेस जिस पे आप बैठ के प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। यू कैन चूज़ एनी थिंग एट योर कम्फर्ट एंड जॉइन मी इन द प्रैक्टिस। लेट्स स्टार्ट. We will start with the child's pose. Sit on your heels, coming towards the back of your mat. From here, we will stretch our arms forward. दोनों हाथों को ऐसे आगे लेके जाएंगे और forehead to the floor. Try to take as deep breaths as you can here. Deep belly breaths in. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. You can reach out as far as you can with your arms. Try to touch your forehead to the ground here. One more deep breath in and exhale. From here, we will bring the right palm towards the right side of the body, left palm on the top of your right palm, and feel the stretch towards the left side of the body. हमारी बॉडी की लेफ्ट साइड में स्ट्रेच फील होना चाहिए। यहाँ पे सिर को जितना ज़मीन के पास ला सके उतना स्ट्रेच करने की कोशिश करेंगे। हो सके तो कीप योर आईज क्लोज टू अवॉइड एनी डिस्ट्रैक्शन, टू स्लो डाउन योर थॉट्स and relax your mind. Keep breathing slowly. We will switch sides now. Left hand to the left side, right palm on the top. Feel the stretch towards the right side of the body, forehead to the floor. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Try to slow down your breath here. Slow down your thoughts. Just witness your thoughts. Try not to react. Coming back to the center, we will do a thread the needle stretch here. Bring your hips up, coming to the tabletop position. You can have your arms elbow width apart. From here, we will stretch our arms in front, coming on the fingertips, and bring your right hand towards the left side, right shoulder on the floor, opening up the chest towards the left side. नज़र लेफ्ट साइड रहेगी। Feel a nice stretch in your upper back, in your shoulders. Keep walking with your left fingertips as far as you can. लेफ्ट हैंड की उंगलियों से हो सके उतना आगे ले जाए and try to lengthen your back. Switch sides here. दूसरी तरफ सेम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Keep your arms in front. Bring your left shoulder to the floor, opening up on the right side. Keep your gaze soft or keep your eyes closed, जो भी आपको कंफर्टेबल लगे. Keep walking your right hand fingers as far as you can and feel a deep stretch in your upper back. Lifting up again, we will come to downward facing dog. Palms to the floor, knees ऊपर उठाएंगे, कमर ऊपर और नज़र towards your big toes. पैरों की तरफ देखेंगे. We will make inverted V position. Feel the stretch in your hamstring. Take a couple of breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. From here, we will do heel up, right heel up. Bend towards the right side. Left heel up, bend towards the left side. This is a nice active stretch and twist for your spine, for the back of the leg, hamstrings, ankles. Keep switching sides, right, left, right and left. अभी यहाँ से हम राइट लेग को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. Gaze in between your palms and right knee closer to the chest and onto the floor in between your palms. From here, we will walk our hands in front, coming to the pigeon pose. दोनों हाथों को आगे लेके जाएंगे और सिर ज़मीन पर लाने की कोशिश करेंगे. Feel a nice stretch in your hip flexors. Make sure to keep your hips square in front. If you're flexible, you can open the right foot towards the left side and come to the floor. Take a few breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Lift up again. Coming back to downward facing dog. Left leg ऊपर करेंगे. Left knee chest की तरफ लेके आएंगे. ज़मीन पे रखेंगे दोनों हथेलियों के बीच में. From here, we will walk our hands forward. दोनों हाथों को आगे लेके जाएंगे and rest your forehead to the floor. You can open up this leg if you are flexible, or for the easier variation, you can keep this close. Feel a nice deep stretch in your left hip flexor. Make sure to keep the right thigh onto the floor, hips square. One more breath here. Exhale and lift up your body again. From here, we'll come back to downward facing dog. Bring your body in front, shoulders on top of your palms, coming to a nice plank position, and lift up your chest from here to Bhujangasana, Cobra. Gaze up or in front. Take a few deep breaths here. You can open up your foot hip width apart. Keep looking up. From here, we will look towards the right side. Take a few breaths here. Feel a nice stretch in your lower back. Exhale in center and switch to the left. If this feels uncomfortable, you can come down to your elbows. Keeping the elbows closer to the body, we will gaze towards the left side. Keep lifting your chest up and gaze towards the left side. Coming back to the floor. We'll flip and lie down on our back. Take the support of your elbows, coming to the ground, keeping your knees bent, heels closer to your hip. We will do a figure 4 stretch here. Bring your right ankle to the left foot, to the left thigh, and supporting your left thigh with the forearm, pull towards your chest. So left heel will be on the air, right knee will come closer to the chest. Keep pulling towards your body. Taking deeper breaths here. We'll switch to the other side. Left leg up, ankle to the right thigh. Lift your right leg up, bringing the left knee closer to the body. Feel a nice stretch in your hip joint, inner thighs, and the back of the leg. Coming back to the floor, you can do a windshield wiper, bringing the knees to the floor, both the knees to the floor, towards the right side, center, towards the left side. This will help you reset your spine, release any tension in the lower back. From here, we will do Pavan Muktasan. Hug your knees into the chest, roll side to side if you like. Keep breathing deeply. You can lift up and back, front and back, giving a nice massage to your back. Or you can just hold here, hugging your knees. Take a few breaths here. Inhale, exhale. Feet to the floor. For the final pose, palms 45 degrees apart. You can take Supta Baddha Konasana or you can take Savasana. For Supta Baddha Konasana, bringing your soles of the feet together like a butterfly pose here. Make sure your back is not arching, your back is trying to touch the floor, pulling your belly in. And try to bring your knees to the floor as much as you can. Relaxing here for a minute. This is a final resting pose, so you can choose to stretch your legs out in Savasana or you can stay here. आप Savasana में भी rest कर सकते हो या सुप्त बद्ध कोण आसन में rest कर सकते हो. This will help you feel a nice stretch in your inner thighs. Try to relax your mind. Forget about your to-dos. Just be in the present moment. Think of 3 things that made you smile today. Maybe it's something at work, maybe it's something at the tea break, or maybe something at the home. Try to count 3 things that you're grateful about today. Maybe it made you smile again. I'm grateful that you joined for practice today. That's one of my gratitude note today. I hope you feel relaxed and fresh after this. Deep breaths in, slow breaths out. From here, stretch your legs in front. Interlace your fingers. Stretch your arms overhead. Give a nice big stretch to your body. Exhale, palms by the side of your body. Bend your knees. Turn towards the right side and slowly come up. That's it for today's practice. Thank you for joining. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.